Hey everybody, the pollinating insects really need our love and support. June 19th through the 26th is National Pollinator Week. Here at Gardens of Babylon Landscapes, we're just trying to bring some extra special attention to this week because our pollinating friends really need all the help, love, and support they can get. Populations have been in decline across the country and the world, so it's really a time to kind of drill down and really make sure that we're doing everything we can in the garden and the landscape to make sure that the populations do come back, do thrive. That's very important to us here at Gardens of Babylon. So just want to touch on a couple key issues that we see a lot of times in the garden and landscape. Number one, to be a little more friendlier, finding annuals, perennials, shrubs that bloom from spring, summer to fall, all providing a good, healthy nectar for these pollinating insects. There's a plentiful list of these online you can find. Our friendly staff is also very knowledgeable about the various friendly pollinating plants, so definitely pick our brains. Find out a couple of these plants, start small, you don't have to bite off more than you can chew, but just start kind of incorporating some of these annuals, perennials, and shrubs. Tuck them into your landscape that really bring them into food spring, summer, and fall. That's number one. Providing little resources for water, whether they be a little butterfly pond, a bird bath, a water fountain, small fountain, little pond, very kind of tucked into the urban environment around the plants. They love that little standing water. And then lastly, very important, is really trying to avoid the use of pesticides, especially neonicotinoids. Studies are really showing that they can have some very serious detriments to especially the honeybee population. So really taking that second guess and making that second consideration when it comes to applying pesticides and really trying to avoid them at all costs. If you really have to spray anything, whether they be natural or a synthetic pesticide, consider applying that really when the pollinators are not active. And this would be periods of really early in the morning or late evening, and really allowing that chance to dry, preferably kind of late evening, that allows the pesticide to dry for the next day. So other than that, come on down to Gardens of Babylon, June 19th to 26th. Our friendly, helpful staff will be very much pleased to answer any questions that you have regarding pollinators. So let's do what we can and bring the populations back, y'all. Take care.